The integration of financial platforms is a common need, particularly when managing expense reports and employee compensation. A seamless flow between an expense management tool like Expensify and your payroll system can significantly streamline the closing of a pay period. Expensify is designed to be highly interoperable, and this includes connectivity with many payroll platforms. The core mechanism for this integration is often through its established accounting software partnerships. When Expensify syncs with major accounting software, which is often the central hub for financial data, it facilitates the data flow required by subsequent systems, including payroll. For direct payroll integration, Expensify often focuses on ensuring that reimbursable expenses are accurately marked and transferred. This transfer allows the expense amount to be included directly in the employee's paycheck. This removes the need for manual data entry, reducing the risk of errors and speeding up the reimbursement process. The specific integration method, whether direct API connection or via an intermediary like an accounting platform, will depend on the payroll system you use. The goal is to ensure that approved, reimbursable amounts move effortlessly from the expense report to the payroll run. For many popular payroll services, Expensify offers built-in, pre-configured connections. For systems where a direct connection is not available, data export and import tools allow for the necessary information transfer. Users typically configure these settings within the Expensify policy setup, selecting their payroll provider and mapping the expense categories appropriately. This allows businesses to manage their cash flow and ensure employees are reimbursed on time and correctly through their regular pay cycle. This functionality is crucial for maintaining compliance and efficiency in the finance department.